So I'm doing a collard green tutorial today. I'm cooking Easter dinner, and this is the collard greens all cut up. This is how it comes on a big stalk, and I take all the leaves, separate them from the stalk, and then I cut them up small, and I'm going to put them in a pot to boil. But I'll come back and show you. Once I have them all cut up, I'll show you. It's just kind of like showing you how they look originally. And how they look once I got them off the stalk and cut them up. Okay, so I'm back now with the collard greens. I had sort of showed you a preview of how the collard greens look when it's before it's cut and when it's cut. So this is the collard greens in the pot and water, and it's salted water. I made sure I put enough salt in there so that it'll go through the collard greens. It looks like it's a lot, but it really isn't, and the greens tend to shrink really fast. So this is actually a small portion. It's going to be about a bowl full. So these are the other ingredients that I will use to make the collard greens. So I will add in onion powder, which is probably about a teaspoon of this, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 bouillon cube, or Maggi packet. This is 1 small pepper cut up, 2 cloves of garlic diced, 1 small tomato cut up, a half of an onion cut up, and in this bowl I have some smoked turkey neck, and we're going to use some oil. Stay tuned, I'll come back and show you the... Okay, so the collard greens are finished. They boiled, they cooked. I drained off the water, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare the seasonings that I add in it. So this is the ingredients that I showed you from before. So I'm just going to add it to about a 1/4 cup of oil, hot oil. And I'm just going to saute this already. The smoked turkey neck is cooked already. So I just kind of like saute it in the pot with the onions and stuff. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in my seasoning. And I'm just going to stir that around. And then I'm going to add after I let this cook for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add the collard greens in and move the seasoning through it. And that's it. It's nothing hard. It's very, very simple. And I'll come back and I'll show you the finished video. Stay tuned.